Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the clipboard error in Microsoft Excel. It will state there was a problem with the clipboard. And this will occur when you are trying to copy content from this spreadsheet. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First is we can try to close any instances or processes of Microsoft Excel in the task manager of our Windows. So before you can go on with that, you need to make sure that you have saved your work on the Microsoft Excel. So in the Windows search bar, type task mgr. Click on Task Manager under the best match, maximize this. Then in the search bar, just type Excel. You'll find Microsoft Excel. Simply make a right click and then select End Task. And after you have clicked on the End Task option, that will completely close any Microsoft Excel instances or processes on your Windows. And after that, you just need to open your Microsoft Excel again and then try to see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we can also restart the Microsoft Excel. So while you are on your Microsoft Excel sheet or you're on your work, you just need to simply click on this close icon and then open Excel again. So in this way, you are restarting the Microsoft Excel. And then in some cases, we're simply restarting it. It can fix the issue. So you should also try on that. And for the next method is we can also use the built-in tool in the Microsoft Excel, which is the open and repair tool. So how can we do that? In the list of tabs right here at the top, you will find this file tab, which is the very first option at the top left corner. Then you'll find this open option. Click on browse. Then you have to choose your document and then click on this drop down arrow next to open. Click on open and repair and simply click this repair button from here. And for the next method is we can also disable some add-ins because in some cases, add-ins can also cause any errors on your Microsoft Excel. So click on the file tab again at the top left corner. Then you have to click on this more, click on options. Then you have to click on add-ins and then you'll find manage. Click on this drop down arrow and choose the Excel add-ins. Click on go and simply uncheck or do not check any of the boxes right here for the Excel add-ins to disable the add-ins and click on OK. And for the next method is we can also clear the clipboard history of our windows because this can also fix the issue. So how can we do that? We are just going to use the shortcut keys on our keyboard. Press the Windows key and letter V key together. And here you'll find this clear all option. Click on that and that will clear your clipboard history. And after that, just open your Microsoft Excel and then try to see if the problem has been fixed. So for that, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.